So what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how to fetch an API using the JavaScript in the React.js. So let's get started. So first we will open our folder of fetch API. In the component folder, I will make a home page, home.jsx. Now in the home.jsx, I will write a React error function. Now let's go to the Rapid API. In the Google, type here Rapid API. From here we can get the different dummy APIs. So I will choose the sports. Choose anywhere. From here I will choose sports API. After clicking it, you have to subscribe. I will choose the startup free plan. Then I will subscribe it. After subscribing it, click on get started. Now here we will get the endpoints of options. Copy these options and paste it in the VS Code. Now here we have to import Axios from Axios. Axios from Axios. If the Axios is not installed, we have to write here npm Axios. In my file it had been installed, so I will not install it. Then after that we have to take a use effect hook. Use effect. Here we have to type here after reloading the use effect should run. In the use effect you have to take an asynchronous arrow function. I will make it const fetch data equals to asynchronous. It will be an arrow function. In this arrow function we have to take try catch. In the try catch we have to take const response equals to await Axios dot request. We have to request our options. Then after that we have to console.log response.data. Else in the error we have to console.log error. Then we have to call this function below it, fetch data. Now let's import this home component in the app.js like this. Import it. Now let's go to the home page, see what's the error. Here we have to write in the commas, inverted commas. Okay, now save it. I write it as CLS, then npm start. Now our React app is running here. Now inspect this page. Go to the console tab. In the console tab, here you can see the object. In that you can see events of our array. Here our API had been fetched properly. You can see all the data here. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to share it. Thank you.